أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I am Dr. Vakarullah, and today I would like to teach you the alphabets. There are two types of the alphabets. One is called the basic alphabets, which are 18, and I have already discussed this in my previous lecture, and the remaining 24 are considered to be derived alphabets. So today I would like to discuss the derived one. Let's start from the alif. The first one is the alif alphabet, and if we put a symbol which is called the mud. This is the called mud. If we put on the upper side of alif, it is called mud. So alif and alif mad similarly ba. If we look at the basic alphabet ba, there are 4 additional alphabets which are called the pa, ta, tha, sa, or be, pe, te, te, se. There are 3 dots below the basic alphabet B. You can see when the 1 dot is converted into 3, that is called the P, and when 2 dots are put on the upper side and eliminating the downward or the on the lower side dots, it is called T. Similarly, when a hook is also attached to the T, it is called Tha or T, and when 3 dots are put on the upper side, it is called the C. So let's repeat it again: B, P, T, T, and C. Now look at the alphabet number 3, which is Jim. These 5 are the derivatives are the derived alphabets of Jim, and similarly we can see that the dots, the position of the dots are converted, the numbers and the position of the dots are converted. In Chi there are 3 dots, and Z there is Hamza on the upper side of Jim while eliminating the dot. Similarly, C, there are 3 dots on the upper side. He, there is no dot, and He, there is 1 dot on the upper side. So Jim, Chi, Ji, Z, C, He, or He. There are two derivatives of dal, which is called dal and zal. So all these derivatives can be formed by changing the position and the numbers of these dots and hooks, etc. Like in dal, there is a hook on the downward side, and zal, there is a dot on the upper side of dal. Similarly, re, this is called re with a hook on downward side, and z, 1 dot on the upper side. J, there are 3 dots on the upper side, and ge or gaf, which sounds gaf. There are 2 dots below and above the re. Similarly, seen and sheen are similar. However, there are 3 dots on the seen, it becomes sheen. This is seen and this is sheen. Swad and dwad. There is 1 dot on the swad, it becomes Zwad or Dwad, both are correct. Similarly, Twi, there is one dot on the Twi, it becomes Zwe. This is Ain and this is Ghain. This is Ain and this is Ghain. One dot on the Ain becomes Ghain. Fi, there is one dot on the Fi and there are two dots on the Fi, it becomes Kaf. Similarly, Kaf and Gaf. Kaf and Gaf. Lam, there is no derivative of Lam, however, there can be Lam Alif La, which are derivatives of Lam, but for the simplicity I would like to consider only this form of Lam. Meme, again there is no derivative in this case. Noon, this is Noon and this is Noon. Nood. There is a dot and there is a dot on the upper side and this is a hook which converts this Noon into Noon. This is Wow, Ha, Ye and Ye, and this is also Ye. So there is a little bit difference between this type of Ye and this. This Ye is used as a feminine and this Ya or Ye is used as a masculine. So the difference between these alphabets will be cleared more and more when we start the conversation or writing of Pashto language. I hope you got my points. If you have any question about this lecture, you are always welcome. Please contact me in the comment section. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.